Hi guys, my name is Ning Dai. For the project Do Something and Report It, I conducted an energy-related tour of Mill City Museum on November 6. The Mill City Museum is a well-known historical society museum in Minneapolis. It was built in the ruins of the Minneapolis Mill, surrounded by other two flour mills. All of the three mills were built in the 18th century. Although the flour mill was closed in 1965, the buildings were preserved until 1991, when a fire destroyed one of the most famous flour mills in the past days. Here is the record of my due hours. I spent 0.8 hours on transportation, as the museum is not far from the campus, and I arrived at the museum at 11:32, so that I caught up the earliest flower tower elevator show on 11:40. Also, 1 hour is spent on preparation. So, let's go back to the old days and find out how energy was used in flour production. The hydropower contributed the most to the production, since the mill benefited from its location, which is just next to the Mississippi River. In the video, you can see a fall in front of the museum. According to one of the staff, the water falls into underground, where two turbine pads were set up. How is the hydropower transformed to the energy that can be directly applied to the machinery operation? A water lab was set up in the museum with models of fall and the turbines. First, the water was held up by wood and concrete with great gravitational potential energy. And as shown by another device, when the block was released, the water blush gives a speed to the turbine and then drives the belt to run by the wheels. That is how the machinery was automatically operated by the water flush. There are also other energy used in the past production. The picture on the left down corner shows a millstone rotated by a human to grind the wheat. The picture on the right up corner shows a threshing machine using steam to separate the wheat from straw, and most of the labor was gradually replaced by machine. The last section is quantitative measurement about the device in the water lab. The energy preserved in the water when it fills up the devices is calculated by the equation below. Even a pile of 1.5 meters long and filled by water holds such much energy. It would be more surprising to know how much energy are provided by the waterfall. To conclude, the tour of Mill City Museum revealed the application of hydropower since a long time ago, and from the calculation in the last step, we can know water power are clean and effective. Also, the usage of machinery made the production more efficient. More details can be found on the official website of Mill City Museum. Thanks for listening.